everybody, welcome to another how-to video. Today we're going to talk about the GE UltraFresh washing machine. We're going to talk about the remote start feature. I'm going to actually show you guys how to use it. If you're like myself, you have no idea how to get it going. You probably already downloaded the app and you looked on the app and you didn't see start and you was wondering what the problem was. It's quite simple. So check this out. So in order to use it, all you have to do is select whatever cycle you want to go through or use. You go hit this button right here, delay wash remote start. So once you hit that, you just hit start, and what that's going to do is going to sit into the app. See, it's queued and it's ready to go. That's all you have to do. It's the same thing if you want to go to delay and you actually want to use the delay function. It's still going to send it to the app, queue it, and of course you can start it whenever you want. So I hope now you guys can take a deep breath and enjoy the feature. I hope you guys are enjoying the washing machine as much as I am. Also, as you can see, I have the base model, which is the GW550. This should work for all models to my knowledge. I can't see why it wouldn't. But don't forget to subscribe and like and hit that notification bell so when I upload new content, you'll be the first to know. All right, guys, until next time.